Hello everyone, and welcome back with a new video. And today's topic is something we all do in real life: shopping. Yes, going to stores, spending money, maybe a little too much money. We all know that feeling, right? I am going to share some stories from my own life, real shopping moments, real experiences. And while I talk, I want you to just listen. Don't stress, just relax and listen to the words. Or pause the video and then repeat my words. This is the real way to learn a language. Let's begin. So, let me take you back to yesterday morning. I woke up early, which is actually very unusual for me on a weekend. But I woke up early because I had a plan. I wanted to go shopping. Not online shopping, real shopping. Going outside, walking into stores, touching things, trying things on. I love that kind of shopping. I made myself a cup of tea, got dressed quickly, and off I went. My first stop was a big clothing store in the city center. And the moment I walked in, oh my goodness, there was a huge sign on the door. It said, "Sale." Big red letters, "Sale." Now I don't know about you, but when I see that word, sale, something happens inside me. My heart beats a little faster. My eyes get a little wider. A sale means the prices are lower. A sale means I can buy more things, and I thought, today is going to be a very good day. I walked inside, and the store was already quite busy, even in the morning. People everywhere, looking at clothes, holding things up, checking prices. I love that energy. There's something exciting about a busy shop during a sale. The first thing I saw, right at the front of the store, was a big table full of jeans. All different colors. They were all part of the sale. I picked up a pair of dark blue jeans and held them up. They looked really nice. Simple, clean, classic. I put them in my basket straight away. No hesitation. You just buy them. You don't think too much. Then I kept walking. I moved to the next section and I found jackets. I love a good jacket. There was one jacket, a dark green one, that I could not stop looking at. It was soft, it had big pockets, and it looked really warm. I tried it on right there in the middle of the store. I looked at myself in the mirror, and honestly, I looked great. That jacket was coming home with me. Next to the jackets, there was a row of coats. Long coats, short coats, coats in gray, brown, and black. A coat is different from a jacket. A coat is longer and usually warmer, perfect for cold weather. I already have a few coats at home, so I told myself, no, not today. I walked past the coats. I was strong. I did stop and look at one beautiful long gray coat for about 2 minutes. But I walked away. Okay, so I had my jeans, I had my jacket, and I was feeling really good. Then I moved to a different part of the store, the more formal section. You know, the part of the store where everything looks very neat and professional. There was a beautiful suit. That's the plastic person in the shop. The suit was navy blue, a dark, deep blue color. It had a jacket and matching trousers. I love when clothes match perfectly like that. A suit with a jacket and trousers that are exactly the same color and material, there is something very elegant about that. I stood there, looking at the suit for a moment, and I thought, maybe I should try it on, just to see. So I did, and honestly, I looked so smart, so professional. I was standing in the changing room thinking, who is this woman? She looks very important. I looked at the price. It was on sale, too. It was still not cheap, but for a good suit, the price was very reasonable. I decided to buy it. Why not? A good suit is always useful. Along with the suit, I also picked up a plain white shirt. A white shirt is one of the most useful things you can own. You can wear it with a suit, with jeans, with trousers. It goes with everything. Simple, clean, and always stylish. So now I had quite a lot in my basket: jeans, a jacket, a suit with trousers, and a white shirt. I was shopping very well today. Maybe too well. I took everything to the changing room again to try on the full outfit together. The suit jacket, the trousers, the white shirt. I looked at myself in the mirror. You know that feeling when you put on an outfit and you just feel confident, like you could walk into any room and feel good? After the clothing store, I decided to take a little walk and get some fresh air. I found a small cafe, got myself a coffee, and sat outside for a few minutes. While I was sitting there, I was thinking, I still need a few more things. I needed something to wear to my friend's birthday dinner next week. Something a bit more special, a bit more dressed up. So after my coffee, I walked to another shop, a smaller boutique just down the street. A boutique is a small, stylish shop that usually sells clothes that are a little more special or unique. I walked in and immediately I saw it, hanging on a rack near the window, a dress, a long, deep blue dress. It was simple, but so elegant. Not too much decoration, not too flashy, just a beautiful, clean design. I took it off the rack and held it up. Yes, this is what I was looking for. I tried it, and it fit perfectly. Sometimes that happens. You find something, you try it, and it fits like it was made just for you. I decided to buy the dress without even thinking twice. Now, a dress like that needed the right shoes. So, I went to the shoe section at the back of the boutique. There were so many shoes, heels, flats, sandals, but my eyes went straight to a pair of boots. Dark brown ankle boots with a small heel. They were gorgeous. I tried them with the dress, and they looked amazing together. Boots and a long dress. I added the boots to my basket, but I wasn't finished yet. Next to the shoes, there was a small jewelry display, and the jewelry was so pretty. There were necklaces hanging on a stand. Long ones, short ones, gold and silver. I picked up a delicate gold necklace. Very thin, very simple, but so beautiful. Then I saw some bracelets, thin little gold bracelets that you could stack on your wrist. I tried on 2 of them together. They made a soft, gentle sound when they touched each other. I loved them. And then the ring. There was a simple gold ring sitting on a little cushion. Just plain gold, no stones, no complicated design. But it was perfect. I tried it on my right hand. I stood there wearing the dress, with the necklace, the bracelets, and the ring, all together, and I thought, this is a complete outfit. The dress, the boots, the necklaces, the bracelets, and the ring. Everything together looked so beautiful. Now I had 2 bags full of things, and I was almost done. On my way back to the car, I walked past a sports shop. And you know what they had in the window? Tracksuits. Bright colored tracksuits. I stopped walking. I looked at them. Now I had already spent quite a lot of money today. I had the jeans, the jacket, the coat I didn't buy. Okay, I was strong there. The suit, the trousers, the shirt, the dress, the boots, the necklace, the bracelets, and the ring. My bags were heavy. My wallet was lighter. But those tracksuits looked so comfortable. And I do exercise in the morning sometimes, occasionally, when I feel like it. I went inside. The tracksuits were really good quality. Soft material, nice fit, great colors. I tried on a dark blue one, and it felt like wearing pajamas. But stylish pajamas. I checked the price. It was reasonable, and it was on sale, too. Of course it was. Everything was on sale today. So, at the end of the day, I went to the counter to pay. The woman at the register was very kind and friendly. She scanned everything, folded everything neatly, and put it all in bags. I used my card to pay tap. One sound, done. Modern life is very easy sometimes. I walked out of the shops that day with 2 bags, one small jewelry bag, and a very happy heart. I got home, laid everything out on my bed, and looked at all the things I had bought. The jeans, the jacket, the suit with the trousers, the white shirt, the dress, the boots, the necklaces, the bracelets, and the ring, and the tracksuit. Shopping is not just about buying clothes. It is about the experience, the excitement of finding something you love, the satisfaction of getting a good price at a sale. It is one of life's small pleasures. And that, my friends, is our lesson for today. You just listened to natural, real English. You heard real sentences, real stories, real words, all used in a natural way. And if you understood even half of it, you are doing amazing. Seriously, be proud of yourself. The more you listen, the more your brain gets comfortable with English. You don't have to understand every single word. Just keep listening, keep showing up, keep practicing. That is how you grow. I will see you in the next video. Take care.